Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be playing with the Norvina Anastasia palette. I was so excited about this one that I actually just purchased it on my own. Of course I purchased it on my own, but my husband did not buy, my fiance did not buy this for me this time. So anyways, we're going to play with this, and I have on my purple rain shirt for the theme of it. So packaging. Anyways, okay, so this is what the palette looks like. It's a velvet palette front, and it has Hello Norvina on it. And then we're just gonna open this up, take that out, and here you have the most gorgeous colors in the world. They are so pretty. I know I talked about this in the last Kylie palette, but this one is so pretty. I think they're just, I love all the shimmers on the front, and then the mattes at the bottom are so pretty as well. So anyways, yeah, let's go ahead and get playing into this. I do not have any makeup on right now, so I'm going to just start with the eyes today, and then we'll move on to that later. So I'm going to take base, and I'm going to use that all over the lid because I have not set my concealer yet. So we're just going to throw this in here so we don't get any creasing. There's a lot of kickback on that. I mean, it's okay. It's just on how they're pressed. I know that's a big controversy with Anastasia, is the kickback on the palette, but I mean, if you can deal with it, it's fine. Alright, the next shade I'm going to go into is, I'm going to go in with Soul, because I'm going to do a purpley eye today. So I'm going to go in with, actually no, change that. I'm going to go in with Incense first, and then I'll go in with Soul after. I'm in a hurry today because I have to be at work in like 30 minutes. I live like 10 minutes away from it, but I still have to be there pretty early. So, and I woke up really late today. I'm going to go in with that same brush I just cleaned off, and then I'm going to go in with Soul. I've been looking up some pretty eye looks to do with this palette. Oh, some people are so talented, and I'm over here like, mediocre. I feel, I mean, if I had the patience to sit and film for like hours on how to do an awesome eye look with it, I totally would, but I don't, because I actually have a job too. I mean, other people do, I understand, but like, I don't get home until like 6:30, almost 7 half the time, and then I have to cook dinner and then get ready for tomorrow, like the next day. It's just, yeah, it's just a lot. Okay, this color is so pretty. I hope I don't look weird, because this is kind of a cool tone look that we're going for right now, but maybe it'll look different because I'm gonna use Celestial all over the eye today. Okay, I'm gonna take my MAC 242 brush, and I'm gonna dip into Celestial right here, the purpley shade. We're gonna dig into there, and I'm gonna put this all over my lid. I'm gonna grab some on my finger and try to intensify it on my finger. Yeah, there we go. I'm gonna go in with Dreamer right here. Put that on the inner corner, kind of lighten it up a little bit. Okay, so the last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a blending brush, and I'm going to go into Drama, and I'm gonna put that in the outer corner slightly. By the way, this is like my first time using this palette, so yeah. We'll be right back. I'm gonna go put on my foundation really quick, and I will be right back. Okay, guys, we're back, and we're gonna finish the bottom of the eye. I'm actually gonna throw an eyeliner really quick. Forgot to do that. Actually, I don't even want to. I just kind of want to do the bottom, how it's gonna like this, no eyeliner, and then we're just gonna throw on some colors. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna go in with Drama kind of on the outside of the eye, and then I'll use Soul to blend it out. Okay, so I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to go into Soul. Sometimes I'm daring and I don't like to put on eyeliner. Now I'm probably going to go in with eyeliner. I am. I'm going to put some eyeliner on real quick. It's just... that just looks like me. So, okay, and then now for mascara, I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Lash Paradise. By the way, the eyelashes I'm wearing are Ardell Wispies in 113. Those are my favorite. Like, I thought I liked another pair, but I'm like, every time I come back to these, I'm just like, oh, they're so pretty. And they're just from the drugstore, so why would you not like them? If I could get sponsored by them, that would be the end of it. That would just make my hair. Yeah, anyways, guys, I hope you like this. Oh, I need some lipstick. Time out. Now let's do this. Okay, you guys, so that concludes this tutorial. I actually really like this eye look. I haven't worn purple in a long time, and it's giving me like flashback to high school when I would rock a purple eye like all the time. But go out and purchase the Norvina palette. It is so awesome. I like this palette. I don't know if I like it as much yet as the Kylie palette, but I'm going to keep playing with it, and I'll give you an update on my Instagram. So follow me on my Instagram. I will make sure I will link everything down below, my Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook page, Twitter, everything like that. So go follow me. And yeah, so you guys, I hope you liked this eye look today, and I hope you recreate it. Tag me if you do. And don't forget to subscribe and like my channel and like this video and give me a big thumbs up. And then also too, don't forget to comment down below what you want to see next. If you want an updated like face makeup routine, I mean, there's not really much to update you on it. So anyways, but yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you, and I'll see you in another video. Okay, bye.